everybody, Rosie here. I am announcing that there is a giveaway happening over on my Patreon page. So the items on offer I thought I'd share in this video are 10 cupcake toppers with your own custom message. Doesn't have to be in wood grain, there are many colours available. With the 10 cupcake toppers comes a custom regular topper that is matching, or you could have it say something else instead. We have a really handy 4.5-inch spatula that is offset. This is really good for beginners. I highly recommend. If you don't have one of these, you really need one. We also have a pack of Twinkle Delights. These are really cute sprinkles, and not just one variety, there's like a whole bunch of different ones added in there, which makes it really cool and fun. These monthly giveaways actually happen over on my Patreon page every month with a new pack of items each time. Their Patreon is like a crowdfunding website, so basically people can make monetary pledges in return for rewards. I have lots of rewards on offer, not just the giveaways, but there's also membership to all of my live stream classes. So whenever one goes up, you are automatically added into that class at no extra cost. There is exclusive monthly live streams, videos that are exclusive to Patreon and don't get shown up on YouTube, so it's like its own little platform. I also add doodles and sketches of upcoming cake tutorials or ideas that I'm sort of thinking of creating into cakes. The funds that are raised on Patreon do go towards the channel and me being able to continue bringing this to you guys. My biggest thing is to be able to teach cake decorating. That's my dream job. So being able to earn an income through Patreon, for example, would be able to free up my time and allow me to continue teaching you guys for free over on YouTube with the tutorials, and also free up my time to organize classes like the live stream ones, classes in person, and just be able to continue sharing my love for cake and teaching the world about cake. That is my goal. So if you're keen on joining the Patreon giveaway, head on over to my Patreon page. There'll be a link in the description box below, or a little icon on the right hand side, or the little eye. Thanks for listening, and if you do become a patron for the giveaways, good luck, and I'll see you guys soon.